Right. Hello, boys and girls. This is Miss Hagan and Miss Lovett, and we're going to show you today how to log on to Microsoft Teams. And you're going to use that when CTLS is not working, and when it's freezing up or it's just spinning, that's going to be the second thing that you go to. So at 8 o'clock in the morning, when CTLS is not working, you're going to go to Microsoft Teams. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to log into your computer using your 7-digit number, your student number, and that's, some of you know it as your lunch number or your library number, and your password is 123. Okay, so let's see, Miss Lovett is logging in using a student number, and remember the password is 123. Most of you should have the Teams app on your school device on the desktop. If you don't, you can go in through Office 365 and we'll show you that too. Let's see, we're giving her a second. She's logging in. So if you have to use Office 365, here's the directions for that. Okay, so you would do your first dot last name at students.cobbk12.org. Okay, and your password again is 123. Okay, and let me also pull up. We also have the directions here in Spanish, okay, for Office 365.
Okay.
All right. Okay, so I'm going to turn it now over here. All right. So here is the desktop on a student computer, and you can see right here. So I'm going to get close on here so you guys can see. Here's the Microsoft Teams app. Okay, the icon, whatever you want to call it here on the desktop. See the T and the purple people? You should have that. If you do, you're going to click there. Okay, so we're going to let her click on that. All right. Okay, so it might take a while to open up. Just depends how fast the computer is. Okay, so this student, now remember, teams are like classes, so I'm going to go back just a little bit because it will open just different places. So this student is on two teams already. So you can see they're on the two different teams. Okay, so wherever you're assigned already, you're going to see that many. If you're already assigned to like 3 or 4, you're going to see all those different teams or classes. Okay, so this person, you can see they are in 3rd grade, so in the morning they would go to, that teacher's homeroom to see if there's a teacher there in a live session waiting, okay? So that's where they would go to. All right, this person's also meets with me for classes, so that's where my team is. And so if I have a live meeting, they can go there and I can show you on my computer what that would look like so that you can see how it will look. So let me bring that up on my computer. So, okay, so here it is on the teacher's computer. And so if we were going to have a meeting, okay, I'm going to show you what it looks like. Ooh. Okay, so I would say meet now. Okay. And so then I'm going to go back over here, and this student, let's say they would enter, and I said, okay, I want you to meet in teams. You're going to see this purple box, and you see the camera, and it says join.
Mm-hmm.
So you're going to click. You want to click that, Miss Lovett, the purple join.
Mm.
And you're going to be prompted with all of this, turn on the camera and the microphone, and then you're going to hit yes and join now. You want to hit the purple join now. You can turn it a little bit. And it might take, and there we go. All right. And we're going to hang that up so we don't have the echo. Okay? So that's how you get on to the live session. Okay? So we're going to So that's if you have the, you make it big and then exit out. That's if you have the purple Teams app. If you don't, you can go to the Office 365 icon. Okay? So click on the Office 365. Okay? And
There it is.
you're gonna go up here. Yep, to the Teams people. That's where it'll take you. And again, it puts you here in the Teams. And if you're not sure where all your teams are, you're like, but I'm only in one place. You can click up here where it says all teams, and you're supposed to have more than one class. You can go out here, or also on the left right here is like a toolbar or a menu bar. Like there's activity or chats or what, or just different things, and you go to Teams, it'll take you to all your teams. Okay? If you don't have that, you might have to go through the Cobb website. If you don't have the orange window of Microsoft Office and you don't have the purple Teams, so we'll show you that one last option, and I'll let Miss Lovett set that up, and I'll show you again the logins for, here's the logging into Office 365. So if you have the orange window, it may or may not ask you to log in. You might already be logged in, I'm not sure. But your login is first.lastname at students.cobbk12.org, and your password is 123. Okay, pay close attention to the caps, uppercase, lowercase, because it is sensitive to that. Okay, usually your first name has a big letter and your last name, or it will not let you in. Okay?
This time we're going to...
Okay, we're going to go to the Cobb website.
We're going to Google Chrome.
Make sure you're using Google Chrome. That is the most friendly way. There is other ways in, but that's the most friendly way. So you're going to go to www.cobbk12.org. Okay? So if you have your own device and you did not get one from the school, you don't have any of those icons or apps on your computer, or maybe you do have a school device and you still don't have them.
Then we go to Parents.
You're going to go to Parents.
And then you're going to go to 365.
Yep, Office 365 sign-in you have to go to.
Office 3.
There you go. Okay. Okay, let's see. You want to click on that while
And then
you're going to go to the Teams, people. And there you are. You're back where you were. So those are 3 different ways to get there. Okay? Remember, if you don't have the icons and the apps on your desktop, you probably will not be able to add them on a school laptop. It will not let you. If you have your own device, you can add whatever you'd like. So you'll want to add Microsoft Teams, but you'll probably have to have Office 365 first. Okay, so remember, that's how you get there, and you're going to go there when CTLS is down and not working. Okay, so we can still work with you live. All right, so we hope that this video was helpful, and you can let us know through email if you have any questions, and also if your teacher is using Seesaw, you can let us know if you have any questions that way. All right, and we hope to see you soon.
Have a great day.
Bye.